Hi, I'm Chuck with IWS Sales. Today I'm very excited to share some news with you. You know, for over 20 years we've been known as IWS, which stood for Idaho Wrecker Sales, and that's an industry that was very proud to be a part of, and I'm still very proud to be known as a tow truck driver. You know, I fed my family and clothed them from all these years from owning our towing company, and that transitioned us into building and selling tow trucks because we felt there was a big need in the industry for that. And then now that's transitioned us into selling RVs because we really felt we could do a better job than others. And that also transitioned us into selling trailers. And as I look back, we've really grown into three different industries: the tow truck industry, the motorhome industry, and the trailer industry. And we really felt the need to kind of combine those into one. So over the last year, we've made a really big effort to rebrand and to be re-recognized now as IWS Sales. And with IWS Sales, we're representing all three industries underneath one roof. Now, with all of that being said, we really felt we were lacking in the web side because you had to go into three different categories or three different sites. So our staff over the last year has been working their heart out. I can't even imagine the hours that these guys have been putting in to build our new IWS Sales website. And under that website, everything now is combined into one. So the user experience is something we've really focused on. We wanted to build a website that was very easy to navigate, but yet offered specific information that our customers have been asking for. So when you click on the tow truck site, you're going to be able to do chassis comparisons. When you click on the motorhome site, you can compare different chassis and see their capabilities as well as different models. When you go onto the trailers, you're going to be able to compare different trailers side by side, and it's going to be very easy to navigate. We believe we're going to be offering some user experiences that are really unprecedented in our industry, and it's really designed to make it easy for you, but to show you our commitment to our customers to try to make doing business with us easier and more enjoyable. And we're so excited to bring this to you. We're also really proud to announce that we're going to combine all of our Facebook pages into one page. So it's going to be neat to watch our tow truck customers interacting with the motorhome customers, and we're going to be sharing photos back and forth because we really feel, even though we're in three industries, the three industries that we're in are really shared by a lot of people. I think people that own motorhomes are going to enjoy seeing towing recovery videos and photos, and I think people that are towing their race car might enjoy seeing the other one. And so I'm just so excited to share this and to see what you, our customers, contribute to that side of things. We've also combined our YouTube channel into one channel, and something that has been around but it's very foreign to me that I don't quite understand yet is Instagram. And my son has assured me that Instagram is where it's at, so we're going to be starting our own Instagram. And then another thing that we haven't done, and that is be open on Saturdays, but overwhelmingly we're listening to our customers, and a lot of our customers work 9 to 5 on Monday through Friday, and they just can't get up here. So we've always been open for by appointment only. We're willing to meet people up here if they call us, but now we're proud to announce that we're going to be open Saturdays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So we think that's another level of customer service that we're going to be able to give to you. Well, I hope you enjoy all of these new changes, and I hope you're as excited as I am, and I'm looking forward to what the next 20 years brings. So thanks for spending some time with us.